I'm gonna open a window.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Sorry, my birds like to watch.
Your birds? Like, okay. Your birds?
Oh, well, they're my, birds. Because they just come to my window every night, so.
You come every night?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am feeling very creeped out.
Leave your hands all over my sexy body. They must like you. They never get this close.
You know what? I don't care. Shoot! 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 Get out! Shoot! Shoot! Shoot!
No! 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 It's really rude.
Look, I'm sorry. That wasn't rude. That was appropriate.
It took me hours to get this wet.
Okay.
Okay, you know what? I think it's really nice that we met in the comment section of Seamless.com, and I'll remember that. But I think that you should take your things and go.
I'll charge you on Venmo for that apple.
Guys in this city are so weird.